Hello, my name is Thorsten Stremlau, and I'm the co-chair of the Trusted Computing Group's Marketing Workgroup, and one of the event organizers for the TCG Virtual CodeGen Developer Challenge. The Trusted Computing Group Virtual CodeGen Challenge is a free 5-day event where developers will compete to create solutions built off of a TCG standard for the chance to win up to $5,000. This event will be held from October 18th through the 22nd of 2021, and an early registration is encouraged. Who can compete? The event is open to anyone who has not had an active member login to the TCG technical workgroups. Both individuals and teams can participate and will be assigned a TCG mentor who will work virtually alongside them throughout the event to assist with the submission. Submission information. Developers will be challenged to address the topic of pervasive security and application of TCG standards in software and hardware development. Within this topic, submissions may fall under one of 4 different challenge area categories based off of TCG standards. These categories are TSS and TPM, DICE, storage, and FIM and RIM. More information about these standards can be found on the TCG website. Once a submitter has an idea of the topic they want to compete, they will then need to submit a brief abstract, around 300 words, to ensure that they are placed in the correct challenge area category. Submissions can either be a source code, such as C++, no pseudocode, that is running an application, a new standard proposal enhancement, or an application or use case that TCG technology can help improve, such as a detailed prototype idea. These submissions will be worked on throughout the week with the assistance of the assisted TCG mentor, and then presented to the judges on the final day of completion. The judging process will be conducted virtually in 2 phases. In the first phase, teams will be judged in their challenge area category based on where their solution is best addressed.
The winner of each category will be awarded a $1,000 prize and be moved on to the second phase. In the second phase, each first place winner from the first phase will be compared against each other for the top place position and prize money of an additional $4,000.
$1,000 will also be provided to an honorable mention who did not win their challenge category but also had an excellent submission. All submissions will be reviewed on the final day of competition. Live presentations of the submission via Zoom are encouraged to allow for Q&A. However, recorded presentations are also accepted. The panel of TCG experts will judge the submissions based on the following categories. Number 1. Innovation win. So is this submission unique, novel? Does it bring any new value proposition to existing customers or markets? Number 2, a business win. Does this submission have a market? Will this idea make it easier to adopt TCG standards to increase security? Or will it simply increase security? Does it bring a new value to existing customers and markets by addressing a pain point or by providing a security improvement? Another category is the wow factor. Will this submission create excitement among the TCG development community? Does the idea provide an opportunity for TCG to explore something new? Applicability. Does this submission provide a usable code or process? How applicable is the entry to TCG standards? And lastly, implementation and viability. So will the solution require a lot of time to be developed? More than 6 months? Would the resources, both in terms of software and hardware, be available for deployment? If a team chooses not to provide a presentation or video recording to review their submission on the final day of the competition, this will impact their score. So please, go to the registration link posted in the video details. For more information on the event, you can also go to the Trusted Computing website as linked below. This abstract will need to be submitted by October 11th. so that we can ensure that you are placed in the correct challenge category. If you have any questions, you can email codegen@trustedcomputinggroup.org. In a couple of weeks leading up to the event, you will receive emails containing information to help prepare you for the start of the CodeGen Developer Challenge. Will you retain ownership of your submission? All participants will retain ownership of their submission, but will grant TCG the right to use the submission with attribution to the submitter. The submissions may be posted to GitHub or other public licensing repositories, subject to a BSD2 clause license. How will prizes be issued? Upon registration, each team will be required to select a team captain. Event organizers will work with the team captains from the winning teams to issue the prize money via PayPal. Individuals who compete without the team will be contacted directly. Thank you for your attention and hope to see you at the CodeGen Challenge.